Auzubillahiminashaitanirajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Haider Ali from British Institute, Batala Colony, Faisalabad. Today I'm here with some sentences which help you to sound more native. As you can see over here, there are 5 sentences which are commonly used in our daily life, but they are just quite simple. But here we have some sentences which usually natives use. So try to repeat after me. The first sentence, I have no money. It's quite basic, and natives use I'm broke, I'm broke. Second one, I am tired, I am tired. And for that, I'm worn out, I'm worn out. Look at that, it's about tiredness, so obviously your expression should be like that. Third one, I'm a little drunk. It's literally simple, but natives use I'm tipsy. I'm tipsy. Fourth sentence, I'm hungry. Literally, I'm also hungry right now. So, like a good sentence, that is, I'm starving. I'm starving. The last one, I'm full. Like if you are done with your lunch, breakfast, or brunch, whatever. So you can say, I'm stuffed, meaning you don't feel like eating anything else. I hope you people like this video, enjoyed it, and learned something good sentences to sound more native. Thank you so much and keep watching my videos for more updates. Thank you. See you then. Take care. Allah Hafiz.